There are days when even the simplest task feels like climbing a mountain. The dishes pile up, unread messages multiply, and the thought of doing anything productive feels exhausting. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll start, but tomorrow comes, and the same heaviness lingers. It's not that you're lazy, just tired, mentally, emotionally, deeply. We all have moments when we feel stuck, unable to move forward, drowning in the chaos of our own thoughts. But here's the truth. Change doesn't have to be grand. It doesn't have to start with a marathon, a new job, or a life overhaul. Sometimes transformation begins with just 1 minute, 60 seconds of courage, of motion, of trying, because even the smallest step is still progress. That's where the Kaizen philosophy begins, not in massive leaps, but in gentle, consistent steps that whisper. You can start now. Kaizen was born in Japan after World War II, when the country needed to rebuild from ruins. It started as a business principle, small, continuous improvements that led to big results. But over time, Kaizen became more than an efficiency strategy. It became a mindset, a way of living that honors patience, persistence, and purpose. The belief that no matter how small your step is, it still counts as growth. Imagine if you applied that same principle to your mental health. Instead of forcing yourself to fix everything at once, what if you just improved one thing 1 minute at a time? A 1-minute walk, a 1-minute meditation, 1-minute gratitude reflection. Kaizen reminds us that perfection is not the goal, progress is. Every small effort compounds into change. Every gentle attempt becomes a ripple that transforms your life over time. Here's how the 1-minute rule works. If something takes less than a minute, do it now. It sounds simple, almost too simple, but that's the beauty of it. It bypasses the brain's resistance. You don't argue with yourself. You don't delay. You just act. And action, no matter how small, builds momentum. It's not about what you do in 60 seconds. It's about proving to yourself that you can start. Think about it. 1 minute to make your bed. 1 minute to drink water. 1 minute to send that message you've been avoiding. Each act reinforces a powerful truth, that you are capable of movement, capable of change. Over time, those small wins accumulate, creating a sense of control and self-belief. Not waiting for motivation anymore. You're creating it 1 minute at a time. Your brain loves reward. Each time you complete a task, even a tiny one, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical that encourages you to do it again. The 1-minute rule taps into this natural system. It rewires your mind to associate effort with reward, not exhaustion. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the big picture, you start celebrating small victories. It's that shift is healing. And here's the magic. Small actions don't just change habits, they rebuild self-trust. When you keep your promise to do something for 1 minute, your subconscious begins to believe in your capability again. You're no longer the person who never finishes anything. You're the person who shows up. And that identity shift, however subtle, can transform your mental health from fragile to resilient. Take Aiko, a young designer in Tokyo who battled anxiety. Every morning, even getting out of bed felt impossible. But she started with Kaizen, 1 minute to breathe, 1 minute to write one positive thought, 1 minute to tidy her desk. Within months, her 1-minute rituals became habits, and her anxiety began to lose its grip. Or Daniel, a father of 2 who felt burned out. He used the 1-minute rule to reconnect with his kids. 1 minute of eye contact, 1 minute of laughter. Those moments rekindled his sense of purpose. Change doesn't always look like fireworks. Sometimes it looks like a quiet morning where you finally make your bed. A deep breath before a difficult day. A gentle smile at yourself in the mirror. The 1-minute rule teaches us that healing is not about speed. It's about showing up consistently, even when it's hard. You don't need to wait for the perfect time to begin. You don't need the perfect plan, the right mood, or the best version of yourself. All you need is 1 minute. 1 minute to do something kind for your mind. 1 minute to take control of your day. It's all it takes to start building the life you want. Because when you give yourself that 1 minute today, you give your future self a chance to heal, grow, and thrive. So, take this as your sign. Don't scroll away. Don't postpone your peace. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Breathe deeply, stand tall, do one small thing that matters. The world doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs a present one. Remember, Transformation isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing something now, 1 minute at a time.